What is up, you guys? It's your girl Chanel.janai from around the way. Hey. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys on this journey as I cut my hair and pretty much shape my hair. And I know you're probably thinking, Chanel, there's nothing wrong with your hair. But in reality, it is definitely something wrong with it, and it is 100% not healthy and not happy. So we're gonna do this. We're just gonna start all over. I want to shape my hair into pretty much a heart shape. So I'm starting out by sectioning off my hair so that I could cut the sides first. And you'll see that I'm going to cut my sides on a diagonal, just like that. So I actually went natural a good 2 or 3 years ago. And I was on a roll with it. I was enjoying it. And then just recently, I stopped taking good care of my hair, which is a big no-no. And my hair became really dry. It tangled a lot. And ever since the summer, me and my hair have been battling. We have been fighting. So that's pretty much why I'm cutting my hair in the first place right now. I really feel like I just need to start over at this point and get back on track with taking the proper care of my hair. So I'm splitting the back in half and then holding it up to the sides that I already cut and using that as a guideline. And I'm just gonna follow that same diagonal pattern for the back. As y'all can see, I really got scissor happy and was having a good old time cutting my hair, okay? I will say that cutting your hair feels so good. I don't know what it is, but it just really made me feel amazing, chopping and snipping away. Now I'm not going to do much cutting at the top. I'm just going to trim the ends a little bit. I do want that to be the longest part of my hair so that I can achieve that heart shape that I was talking about. OMG, I am loving the way this turned out. So my next steps is that I took measurements of my hair. In the back, I measured 6.5 inches. My bang area was 8 inches. The crown of my head measured 8.5 inches. And lastly, my sides, those measured to 9 inches. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for my next video where I will show you how I achieved this flexi rod set.